What's that?
It's a box with a knife in it.
There's nothing in it.
Oh. It says something in it.
What is it, about 5 pounds, 6 pounds? What do you think it is?
I have no idea.
It's too light for a cylinder.
Hmm.
What's that way over there?
Oh, how about a head? Maybe it's a head.
How heavy is that?
Say about 5 to 10 pounds.
Does it sound like that when you drop it?
No. No, it doesn't.
Okay.
How about a clutch basket? Yeah.
That'd be heavier one. Well, fit up the basket. That's it.
Good stuff.
Look at all this broken fins.
Oh.
That's not a broken fin right there, but see, it's an old brake. I didn't do that. The old drop test. I'm getting pretty good at testing shit by dropping. Appears to be a panhead. Appears to be a big lesson that comes out of here too. Oh, oh, two got away. This box is going to go in the trash. I don't like all this popcorn. At least it's bigger popcorn.
Yeah.
These are like tater tots. Need some tater tots?
Well, let's start eating them.
There's a lot of them in here. So what year is the head?
Oh. Let's see.
What kind of head is it?
It's a panhead.
You sure?
Positive.
Which one?
Let's see. I'm going to say that's the rear.
What makes you think that?
Because the intake is back here on this side.
Because the intake's on the front? How do you know it's not the butt?
Well, because the curvy part goes to the right side of the motor.
This the right side? Why? Because that push rod's over there? Popcorn go everywhere.
Whoa. Got a lot of popcorn in there.
Missed one?
Yeah, you got it all.
Alright. So, what's it say?
Let's see. It says 1950 rear.
There you go. What year do you think it is?
50?
Hey, you're pretty smart. 50 to what?
That I couldn't tell you.
Well, it doesn't have O-rings on it, so when they go O-ring?
That I couldn't tell you either.
55.
There you go, 50 to 55.
No. 55 when they went O-ring.
Oh, 50 to 54.
This is rubber band. This is fucking screw on plumber style. Yeah, 54. You get smarter. What's the date code say over there?
Let's see. It's a 7 and a 0.
Okay, I'm gonna guess that's 7 months of 50.
There you go.
Or is it 0 months of 70? 7.
Probably 7th month of 50.
I think that's a better call. Which makes it what year?
1950.
Makes it a 51 head.
Oh, Jesus.
They cast it before they machined it, before they put it on a bike.
That makes sense.
7 is the end of the year. That's the end of the year. September, they have new bikes, but they don't think they're coming out.
All right. Fair enough.
51 head. And it looks like it's been buffed up a little bit. Probably because I had a bunch of broken ring marks in here, because I can still see residue of them. Feel the grip they used?
Oh, jeez.
Might be slightly lower compression. The valves are sunk way deep. See how deep they are?
Yeah.
Needs seats. And it looks like it might even had a seat put in it already, because that doesn't look like original seat material. And when you blast, if you see a line down there, it's been replaced. Doesn't appear to have any crack through here, which is good. The stars are actually flush, which is really good. Easy to pull up. That's pretty good. You have 2 cracks right here, so that's normal, not too bad. The intake nipple has still got threads in it. The rivet is gone, so you can't make it stock looking. So this has been out. The exhaust spigot is still there and pretty round. It's been dropped a couple times right against that surface. Probably pox damage. Yeah, it's freshly done.
Yeah.
Could be rough eBay junk testing.
Or drop test.
Yeah. Sportsman tool. It didn't break. I expect it to break off. Oh. I didn't break it this time. The last two times before this, I broke stuff off, I think. Didn't break it that time. That's a usable exhaust spigot. That's pretty good. That's pretty rare having those, especially on a 50 jet. So that's nice. And it looks like most of the things are there. We only have that one little chip right there, which is not too hard to get to. It's right on the bottom. It's easy to fix. It's also low enough down you might not even notice it. So you can probably just grind it a little bit on the edge and call it, and nobody even know. It appears that there are some stripped out threads there. These appear to be all stock size. See how they're small? Oh, that one's big. These are all small. That one's been hogged out. Got the oiler with it, slightly bent. You get all the studs, which is nice, and you got 6 of the nuts that come with it. You get accessories. Appears the valve guide's broken though.
It sure is.
It's all there on that side though. Overall, not too bad. Too bad you got to put seats in it. It's a lot of work. But it doesn't seem to be a bunch of cracks having to be fixed, which is plus. So. And it looks like the guide holder's still relatively small, so well, you take halfway decent valve guide sizes, not 10 overs.
Alright.
So overall, it's pretty good. And the spark plug still has, look at the nice good threads. Not even damaged. Won't leak there. That's a plus. So it's pretty good head except for the valve seats. So. But that can be fixed relatively easily. Well, you don't crack the head when you do it. That is a problem.
Yeah.
Do not use more than 5 thou press fit on the intake. It will crack right through here.
Oh.
And now I'm preheating the heads to do it, which I don't like doing, but I've been doing that the last few times. I haven't broken any more heads. So. But when you run 7 thou and cold, it cracks the heads. Also, the seats, I bore them out and make them a little thinner. I'll take my rough seats and I'll bore the ID out to what they are, so there's a cross section thinner. So when you beat the seat in, it's not so strong. It has a little more push to it, so it doesn't break the head again.
Okay.
All this stuff you got to kind of think about when you're doing panheads, because they like to break. And it's not broken under here either, so it's nice and clean metal in there. No chips, no break underneath the seat like a lot of them are. So that's a plus. That's easily always broken out these days. So overall, pretty good head. Bang it right in the same spot again. That's it.
Oh yeah.
Sorry it gets flattened out. Oh well. Alright, good head. Needs to be cleaned up.